I think that it is an overreach to use our personal information from the IRS for enforcement purposes.
The IRS has been pushing back against attempts by Homeland Security to gain access to confidential tax records. ICE wants to use tax returns to confirm addresses of immigrants suspected of being in the country illegally. Several IRS directors have quit in protest, including the reported upcoming resignation of acting IRS Director Melanie Cross. The Department of Justice argues the sharing of tax information is legal and does not require a court order because the information is needed for criminal investigations.
I think it's very concerning. I think it's very concerning not just for folks that may be undocumented, for basically anyone in the US who's ever had to file or is filing their tax returns. I think it's a slippery slope.
San Diego immigration attorney Tammy Lynn says the public should be skeptical of this new agreement signed by the Treasury Secretary allowing the IRS to share tax filings with ICE.
What we've been hearing from this administration from the beginning is they're supposedly targeting the criminals, the worst of the worst. We're seeing they're not doing that. And so my concern is that it's going to impact a lot of people that they said they weren't going to target.
Lynn says migrants may be less likely to file with the IRS if they know ICE could get access to their addresses. Some 700,000 undocumented workers file tax returns every year. In 2022, undocumented immigrants paid $59.4 billion in federal income taxes, $25.7 billion in Social Security taxes, and $6.4 billion in Medicare taxes, according to court filings by Public Citizen, an organization representing immigrants in a federal lawsuit aimed at blocking the release of tax information to ICE.
Arguments have made for decades that undocumented immigrants are not paying taxes and aren't contributing to our economy. And now they're saying, oh, but they are now paying taxes and contributing to our economy. So which is it?
According to court records as of 2 days ago, the IRS has not given any information to Homeland Security. A hearing is set for next week on a preliminary injunction to block the release of information. David Gottfredson, CBS 8.